Hey everybody, today we're going to get back on the 351 Windsor out of the Mad Mustang. We got to get the rings checked, back on all the pistons and the bearings and everything, and we'll start putting this one back together. We already put the crank in. I do believe I have a video already up on the channel of installing the crank. So I went ahead and I started putting some of the pistons in. So I have number 4 piston in, and I have number 8 piston in, and as you can see, it works. There's the piston coming up, there's piston going down, and there's number 8 coming up and 8 coming down. So the crank feels good, those 2 pistons feel good. Why I wanted to start there is because number 8, as you remember, had the bent rod. So, and the piston was, where's the piston? Here it is. The piston was hitting the crank here and over here. It looks like he might have had it running when it was hitting the piston. So got a new piston, new rod over here, and I wanted to make sure that nothing was rubbing. We went ahead and put the cam back in, and we have the cam retainer in, and we have torqued these 2 bolts. Now I have not torqued the 2 pistons. We're going to do all the pistons at the same time. We have already done the mains. The mains are all torqued. That's all good. So we were looking around. I'm like, well, we need to get the timing chain and the gears. So I've already had G Junior take and clean everything up at the safety clean machine. That's why everything's all wet. And we're going to go ahead and we're just going to install this old timing chain. We're going to see how much play the chain has. This motor has like no miles on it. So let me get the timing chain slid on and all put on, and we'll come back and show you how much slop is in the timing chain, and then we'll go back to putting the pistons back in. All right, so we're going to get ready to install the timing chain. So as you can see, this timing chain looks brand new. There's no wear on the teeth or anything. It is an adjustable one. You got 0, then A, and R. I have no idea what the A and the R mean, so we're just going to set it up at 0. So we're going to put this gear on first. This gear will just slide on. Already, I have this up. So there is a dot here. Kind of hard to see. Let's see, yeah, the O dot. So this is going to line up with the other dot. It looks like I might have to come back a little bit. So now I already have the camshaft. I already kind of like lined, so I've already kind of lined this up this way to make sure that these 2 lines would line up. This is off a little bit. There we go. So now I should have marked the chain which way it went so it doesn't turn backwards, but like I said, this chain I don't think is going to be a big deal. Put the chain on there. We're going to come in, we're going to hook, we're going to slide this out, we're going to go ahead and hook the chain here, and see I'm way off. Just go ahead and turn it till it lines up. There we go. And then there we go. Then this is the oil slinger that keeps oil from hitting the front seal. I like to put those on now so I don't forget about it. This is the fuel pump eccentric that pumps the fuel pump. So we're going to put this bolt in. This is supposed to be tightened down to 40 foot-pounds, and then we're going to check the deflection here. Now my book says you're supposed to check the deflection here. All right, well, it doesn't give you a spec, but you know, all timing chains stretch, and I think, you know, we're just going to let it eat. So we'll tighten that up and we'll torque that up, and then this is going to be all complete. I think I'm going to let this video stop here. We'll come back and we'll start putting the pistons in and doing the rings. I just need I need to get a video up because I'm kind of missing a couple days. I don't have any content. So I'm gonna get this content up and we'll come back on the next video and we'll start installing all the pistons. All right, everybody. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the Mad Mustang videos and all my videos. Please comment. I need some comments. And please share. All right, we'll catch you on the next one when I'm going to go back and start putting the rest of the pistons and setting up the rings. This takes a lot of time. And at the moment, I haven't had a lot of time to get that done. So, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.